a Zoom 6 metre Harrows, I think, with an Airseeder on it. Excellent for over-sowing over kikuyu, ripping the kikuyu and levelling out the paddocks. It's got a levelling on the front of it, and it's just a good all-round seeder. Also, you can spray out and seed in, and then. But the crucial thing is you actually got to roll after you put it in. But it's an excellent machine for seeding, quick and easy. I've tried seeding with our harrow and seeder and seed drills, and found them. They work, but they're not. I don't think they're as efficient as these as giving your seed contact and grass growth.